today we have a Tokyo Kawaii bag. I just love this time of month. He is really good about shipping it, but it takes about 4 weeks to get here it comes straight from Japan. So this is really, you can get other Disney subscription services, but this one is it's different. So I stalk the mailman, but I have discovered that you're billed once a month for this service. The day that it's billed for the next month is the day that the mailman brings me my package. The last 2 months have been that way. This is my second package. So we'll just see if that keeps it up. So I just got this bag and I'm let's open it. Let's open it up and see what's in here. Something's falling. Okay, let's see. Love, love, love these bags. Disney Christmas 2018, and this is from Tokyo Disney Resorts, Tokyo Disneyland. I keep the bags. Like, this is only the second time I've gotten this, but I'm getting a collection. This is my second set of bags, so. Okay. Let's see. Let's pull out, because there's a bag in here. And then there's stuff in the big bag. Okay, does that make sense? This is a bag just like the top one, and it's just smaller. I love these. Okay. Seeing right on the top, there's something purple. Okay. It's got Winnie the Pooh. Our story begins, as most of our stories do, with a little bear named Winnie the Pooh. As is often the case at the beginning of our stories, this little bear named Winnie the Pooh is looking for something, and that something is for fun in the kingdom of dreams and magic. Wow, that is cool. So you've got Winnie the Pooh, and then you've got, I'm going to assume that's Tokyo Disneyland. It says at the top, Winnie the Pooh and Tokyo Disneyland 2. That is cool. I have a feeling this is food in this bag because the back just looks like ingredients, but I am definitely keeping the bag. That is just, okay, let's open it up and see what's in here. Okay, has this cool Mickey ear, I don't know what to call this. Let's open this up. See, isn't that cute? Okay, so let me grab a pair of scissors because I think I'm going to actually have to cut this open, so hold on. Oh, there was a tear. Well, okay, I'm going to cut it anyways. Okay, so let's see what's... Looks like cookies. I've got to keep that bag. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but that is going to make its way into a craft project somewhere. And it's little cookie. They're Winnie the Pooh cookies. Oh, how cool is that? You can see these. Aren't those just... I'm not going to open these because I am in my office and I don't want any open food over here just because. So I'm going to wait till I get back to my house to open these up, and then I'll have to share them with my husband and my daughters. I know that I will. That is so cool. Okay, let's see what else is in this little bag here. Something purple. Oh my, it is an Ursula Ufufi. And it's purple. Oh, I love that. I just read the book, and I'll put the title below because I can't remember. I think it was called Part of Your World, and it's a Disney book, and it's all about what would have happened if Ariel had not defeated Ursula. Really good book. I'll put a link below to get it from Amazon. It was a really good read. It might be a young adult teen book, but I read them anyways. And it was about Ursula, so wow, that I got this was great. That is so cool. Ursula. Let's see what else is in here. Last month I got the Maleficent keychain, and this month I got the Ursula keychain. Can you see that? And it's purple. The Maleficent one had a lot of purple in it too, but yeah, that is so cool. We have a theme going on here, purple. Seems to be one more thing in here. And it is a button. Is that not cool? Maleficent. And of course, purple. You can't go wrong with anything that's purple. Oh, I really like that. Let's see what's in the big bag. Oh, I guess it's 2 somethings that are flat. Thanks again, Michael. He does a little post-it note and he puts that in every single. That means a lot. I had an Etsy shop for years and I always tried to make sure there was a personal thank you in it. Even if I just wrote it on the invoice, that means a lot. And it's got Ariel and her sisters. That is so cool. I have a thing for Ariel lately, what can I say? Okay, so these are the 2 things that I pulled out. Disney Characters Secret Clear File is what this says. Let's open it up, because I'm not sure what this is. What is a secret clear file? We've got all sorts of Disney princesses on the front. Yet to move my filing cabinet over here. That is this weekend's project. Oh, how. Oh, and I don't have any. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. So it's Rapunzel on this side. And then if you flip it over, it has all sorts of, I'm going to have to find a piece of white paper to put in here to show you. So on the front, it is Rapunzel. And then if you turn it over on the back, oh, I love these files. I have a thing for file folders. I have a thing for most office supplies. And you have all sorts. Is that not cool? It even has after she cut her hair. Love that. And of course her pink purple dress. So we're still on a purple theme here. Okay, this also, no way. These are stickers. I love stickers. So I'm cleaning out my old office to move down, or out down here. And I'm trying to sort through all of my stickers. And I have a ton of stickers. But nothing like these stickers. Okay, let me get close so you can see all these beautiful stickers. Let me get my face out of the way. This sticker even has the park maps. Oh my. How cool is all of these beautiful stickers? And these are all from, there's the 35-year celebration, and these are all from Tokyo Disneyland. Oh, this is awesome. Well, once again this month, I am absolutely thrilled with my package. It cost, with shipping, I think it bills out at $52 a month. And just to get something that you can't get here in the States, I've never ever seen anything even remotely like this at Walt Disney World. Wow, I'm thrilled. Thrilled. What was my favorite item? I'm thinking the little Ursula Ufufi. And yes, it does smell. I'm not sure what it smells very sweet. So that is That is so cool. Well, again, thank you so much for stopping by and spending part of your day with me. I really, really appreciate it. And if you've watched all the way to the end, I really appreciate it. Think about hitting that subscribe button below and clicking that bell. Gets you notified each and every time I upload content. You're going to hear every YouTuber ask you to subscribe to their channel, whether it be at the beginning or at the end. Why does it matter? Because the more people who are subscribed, the more YouTube pushes the videos and the more people can see them. So if you think it's irritating, I really don't like asking for subscribers, but I would love for more people to be able to see my videos. So take a moment. It's a big red subscribe button. You don't have to hit that bell, but if you do hit the bell, it lets you know each and every single time I upload content. Until next time, go out there and do something great. Have a magical day.